Hey guys, Paul here. So Apple added the new Magsafe technology to the iPhone, and the old technology is based on electromagnetism, basically magnets. And you know, new features are always accompanied by new accessories and new services. And for the Magsafe, Apple has already given us Magsafe wallets, Magsafe cases, Magsafe chargers, and now we have Magsafe battery. And this is going to cost you $99. Who is it for, and is it actually worth $99? Well, here is all you need to know about the Magsafe battery. Now, it's almost half the weight of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, coming in at 113 grams. It doesn't sound like a lot, but surprisingly, it's a noticeable added weight. And also considering that most people use a case on their smartphone, yeah, things get pretty bulky. And speaking of bulky, it's actually thicker than the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but surprisingly again, I mean, it's not actually uncomfortable to use. Like, I find myself resting my finger on the battery. It just gives me a better grip. It takes about an hour and 10 minutes to get it fully charged from 0% to 100%, and it also charges with the lightning cable, which doesn't come in the box. Unfortunately, I don't know why Apple did that. Anyways, it's the same charger as your iPhone. Now, it gives off an orange light when you initially plug it in, but what I don't like is that the light goes off after a couple of seconds, which means there's no way you can actually tell if it's charging or how much charge it has unless you attach it to the back of your iPhone. I don't really like that. I wish Apple added some kind of button similar to the one on the AirPods where you can actually press to check the battery level or if it's even charging when your iPhone is near. That would have been very smart, but right now the only way you can actually tell if it's charging or how much charge it has is if you attach it to your iPhone to check the battery level. That's it. Though it gives off a green light when it's fully charged, but while it's charging, there's no way you can actually tell if it's charging or how much charge it has. So according to Apple, you're gonna get extra 40% on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, extra 60% on the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro. Man, there's a lot of iPhone, and there's extra 80% on the iPhone 12 mini. 80%, well, I'm not surprised. The phone is actually small. Now, I don't have the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12 Pro, but I do have the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the regular iPhone 12, but it's not mine. But I can actually confirm that, yeah, it's actually very accurate because I'm actually getting extra 40% on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, it takes roughly about 2 hours and a couple of minutes to actually deliver those charges. Now, that is completely slow, like really, really slow, but I'm not surprised. It only charges at the rate of 15 watts or maybe a little bit less. I mean, obviously, this is not fast charging. There's no way the Magsafe battery is going to replace regular lightning cable charging. Yeah, this is definitely not fast charging. Now, just to let you know, you can actually charge the Magsafe battery while charging your phone with a regular lightning cable, and also you can charge your iPhone while charging the Magsafe battery with a lightning cable, although I don't know why anyone would want to do that. But if you were initially charging your iPhone with a Magsafe battery and you connect the lightning cable to your iPhone, the charge from the lightning cable takes over while the battery starts charging itself. Also, one thing I don't like is that the battery slides off easily. So all these your skinny jeans and tight jackets and all that stuff, yeah, it's not really gonna fare well with this, because look at this. Yeah, it's not gonna work. People have the same problem with the Magsafe wallet sliding off easily, so there's not really much difference here. Now, let's get to the question, is it actually worth $99? Well, this type of product is an emergency-based type of product. If you're the type of person that your phone battery hasn't died on you for at least 1 month, yeah, this is not really gonna be a good way to spend $99. But if your battery has died on you so many times and you actually needed your phone to do something, yeah, this is gonna be the best $99 you've ever spent. Now, in terms of what you actually get in for $99, yeah, I mean, 40% on my iPhone 12 Pro Max for $99, yeah, it's pretty expensive, but at the end of the day, it's Apple. Anyways, that's what you need to know about the Magsafe battery. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Adios.